There's nothing. It's just this movie. When I saw it, it impacted me so much. I have talked about it a lot. It impacted me so much, and it makes you think, what are we doing? In the sense that we have come to that point that we have started to make a woman believe that for her to be someone, to be somebody, to empower herself, she either needs to fit into the general idea of being beautiful. It's like when I saw the film and I saw that whole Durga Vahini camp and so many girls who participating in Miss India, I felt like I know them. Coming from a small town, I know them. Because growing up in small town, when you see these women, you feel like, when you see the girls and you see, I've seen my sister, I've seen people who walk with their head down, they're very self-conscious about their bodies, they're made to. And growing up, there's such a repression that when they want to come into their own, they need that validation from so many other things. And this is the film that made me think like that. There's so much that it says, and it's very important that this is seen across the country. I wish it was also dubbed in various languages and seen across the country. Because I really think this is one film that should be seen across the country. And it doesn't give you any answers. What it does is poses a lot of questions. And it makes you question yourself and your actions and how you think and how you look at the world. It doesn't offer any solutions. It just holds a very, very strong mirror to you, where you just see yourself. And that's why I think this film needed to come out and needs to be seen. And I hope it makes the same impact it has made across the world, in this country, because it is about our country. It's about us.
For me, the film has been out for a couple of years and it's traveled the world and it's only now finally coming to India. And I feel it's really, really important for me to release the film in India and to show the film in India for a number of reasons. I was really inspired actually to push for it after the Delhi gang rape. I felt like, we really had to do something as a country in terms of women's rights. In this endeavor, really it wouldn't be possible because you guys all know how difficult it is to release films in India, and to release documentaries in India is almost unheard of. And if it wasn't for the support of Anurag Kashyap, it wouldn't happen. So I have to thank him. And did I approach other filmmakers? No. No, I went straight to Anurag. I spoke with Shamit and then I went straight to Anurag. He only suggested Anurag.
The title, The World Before Her, I think ये title से ज़्यादा मुझे तो इसमें मेरी obviously since I am a part of this story, मुझे सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ ध्यान में आती है. I can relate it to my mother straight. There's a small kid here sitting and the world is in front of her. For me, in my head, it is वही 27 years पहले जब मेरी मम्मी को मेरा डैडी का घर छोड़ना पड़ा था क्योंकि मैं लड़की थी. What would she have thought? What will the world in front of her be like then for a lady? एक लड़की जो 7 साल की है, मेरी बड़ी बहन, और दूसरी बच्ची जो 20 दिन की है, क्या सोचा होगा कि what will the world in front of her be like? When I think of that, I get goosebumps because I still can't imagine that doing, even in today's day, she did it then. So for me, this title means a lot.
ये मूवी एक बार लोग देखने आए. यहाँ इंडिया का बहुत ही नैरो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है इस कंट्री का. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हम लोग बचपन से कृषि दर्शन ये सब देख देख के मैं ऐसा लगने लगा है कि डॉक्यूमेंट्री जो है ना बड़ी कोई एक बोरिंग सी चीज होती है जो आपको सिखाती है कि क्या करना चाहिए, जबकि डॉक्यूमेंट्री हैव बिकम मच मोर इंटरेस्टिंग देन एक्चुअल फिक्शन फिल्म्स. आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्री सीट में बैठा के ज्यादा रखेगी, आप उसमें पॉपकॉर्न खाने नहीं जाओगे, जो कि फिक्शन फिल्म में आप 10 बार उठते हो पॉपकॉर्न खाने के लिए. तो ये उस तरह की फिल्म, डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म जो दुनिया भर में दिखाई जा चुकी, कनाडा के टॉप 10 फिल्म्स में अगर आप देखेंगे तो उसी तरह से कि इस तरह की फिल्म को रिलीज करने के लिए कि भाई आके देखो ये फिल्म है, इसको आप कैटेगराइज मत करो और देखो, और ये बहुत ज्यादा पावरफुल फिल्म. Seeing this film has actually excited us a lot. We are also hoping to pick up other documentary films. हम लोग बहुत कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये सब बातें हम लोग जब कर लें उसके बाद करना ज्यादा बेहतर है, क्योंकि शुरू में हवाई बातें लगती हैं.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.